This Agile Project Management Certification online course will give you an overview of Scrum methodology, the importance of leadership in Agile, and the stages of Agile project management. In addition, this online course will equip you with 12 supporting Agile principles, extreme programming methodology, and stages of Agile project management. You will also master Agile team management, its pitfalls, and tips for effective communication. This engaging online course will help top companies for managing their large-scale and complex projects. Learning outcomes. By the end of the course, you will understand the concept of Agile project management, get acquainted with the Agile Manifesto, learn 4 foundational Agile values, understand the role of leaders in Agile project management, get to know the relevance of leadership in Agile, learn what are values and ethics in an Agile team, know the importance of accountability in Agile project management, understand 12 supporting Agile principles, learn the importance of leadership and style. Why choose this course? Endorsed by Quality License Scheme, certified by CPD, accredited by the International Practitioners of Holistic Medicine, IPHN, lifetime access, high-quality e-learning study materials, self-paced, no fixed schedules, 24/7 customer support through email, available to students anywhere in the world. By the end of this course, you will gain theoretical knowledge and in-demand skills in implementing Agile project management in existing and new projects. So, what are you thinking about? Start getting the benefits by enrolling today.